Hi Mohayans, good afternoon, and it's so raining hard here in Bangkok right now. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it's so raining very hard, and I have to take a cover under the BTS, but at least I didn't get wet that much. Look at the rain. So that's the rain. It's so hard and so strong. So I just got here from from work, and at least I didn't get wet that much, you know, just a little bit because I didn't bring my umbrella. And today it's really raining so hard and it's really raining so well, and it's nice because for a change, you know, I mean, it's not so hot, you know. I feel like it's really cool everywhere. I think with this kind of rain here in Bangkok, if this lasts for like 2 or 3 hours, it's gonna be flooded here in Bangkok. Really, I tell you. Just, it only takes like a few hours of rain to get really flooded here, especially here in Mochit. There's always, it gets flooded very easily. The streets get flooded very easily. And so I'm just about to take the BTS going to Prakanong, and I'm home. So at least I'm gonna be covered and not really that wet, but it's kind of like exciting, you know. Raining, so strong rain, but I see the sky over there is getting clear. Yeah, it's getting clear, so that means this rain is not gonna last long, you know. I mean, just like 30 or 40 minutes rain, so that's all right. It's not gonna be flooded here. Okay, welcome back, Mohayans. I'm still here at the BTS and walking to get the train ticket, but I noticed that the 7-4 train just stopped, and it looks like it's not gonna be flooded here in Mochit. And well, at least it's the rain is not really, I mean, it's not gonna get flooded, and it's also better for the passengers not to get wet. Okay, that's it. Just a short report for a while, and I'll come back later. Okay, that's it. Just a short report. Bye for now. I'm gonna take another clip, video clip later when I get off from Prakanong station. So I'll see if it's still raining, and then probably I'll take another clip later. Okay, I'll see you later. I'm gonna pause for a while. Okay, Mohayans, see you later. Oh, and by the way, Mohayans, if you're new to this channel, please do click like and subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for future video uploads. Thank you so much, Mohayans. I'll see you on some video uploads soon. Bye.